there are some UI changes in the Spark update as of November. Bigla pong nagkaroon siya ng update. Recently, they had this update for the UI of the application, the web application. Right now, this one is loading. As you would see here, it has an indicator on the side. Here, tignan nyo mabuti. Here. So this would give you an indication that you are already on the design, say tab or design button in this area. Okay. The next one is some UI changes is that when you click on a text, as you would see here on the right side, this one has been revamped to create a more better user experience. So right now, you can dial in your opacity by just using this. Unlike before that, it doesn't have this seamless user experience. So if you want to add shadows, outlines, and I'm going to give you the changes from the recent version. And right now, this one is a new one. Before it was placed here on the middle. Right now, they move it on this side. So as you would see, nagbago na siya. This one has changed already. Okay? So it's a minor UI changes, but it's given us a better appreciation of the application. Okay? 9 templates. As you would see here, if you want to access or to get more beautiful design templates, when I click on the canvas, you just have to click on here, on the gray canvas. You can go to the templates and access these indicators. Yung nakikita nyo dito, sa pinakagilid, yan, yung parang tab here or parang bookmark. This would indicate that you are using a premium template. So Adobe Spark has a lot of templates that you can definitely use in this session. Gaano karami? Around 36,390 templates that you can use. So I think I'm just going to scratch to use a new project for this session. Let's go on my home icon, and as you would see, when you click on that, this will automatically launch you to the home screen. I'm just going to click on the plus button, and then let's click on an Instagram story. For example, I'm going to create a design. This one, we have what we call move content with background. This will enable you to place the designs, and then regardless na if you have resized this, for example, if you want this to be on portrait or on landscape, you can definitely make adjustments on the fly, and your content will be moving in synchronicity or in accordance with your content. Okay, let's click on that. Right now, I'm just going to use a template. For example, this one. Yan. I'm just going to click that and then click create. So this one, I'm going to remix and grab this template. Okay. This one is, yan. Okay. So this one is already been loaded into Spark. And as you would see, you have this indicator that it's already saving. So right now, Adobe Spark doesn't need for you to save it. It doesn't need for you to save it. It's automatically saving at the background. Okay. So right now, this is a design template that I want. If I go to my background and then click on move content to background, and then for example, let's say I'm just going to do a remix for this grid. For example, if I click on that, as you would see, nakita nyo, nagbago yung ating content, but the content with background already moved in accordance with the new content that was created. For example, if I click this, you see, the content is already been moved. Before kasi, the content will just be in here on the middle. So let's go back here. Let's go to simple. As you would see, that's how you could use the move content with background.